Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to learn about shift left registers. How we can use the arithmetic shift left command in Omron PLC CP1E model. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our CX programmer software, and here we will take backup from the PLC. Wait for some seconds. Upload is successful, and we make it little bigger for easy to visible. So first of all, we will take a close contact of our PLC. For example, one time we will make this program the help of timer. For example, T0 timer I will choose, and we will use the close contact of the T0 to give the signals to our this command. So next we will choose the timer, find instructions, timer counter, and we will take the timer, and here we will give the address of timer T0 for example, and value we will give at the for example 25. No need too much long value. So when this, what is this yani, this I will little explain. When my this timer will be on, after it will be self continuously, when it time is will be done, after it will be automatically uh, reset the value on and off. After is on time, it will be automatically set reset, it will be continuously run. So next we will take a one input signal for our execution to the program. For example, 0 signal I will take, and next we will choose the move command. Find instruction go and data move, and here we will take the move command, and here we will just one signal we like to be move, and in which relay we will start from the internal memory. For example, W0 I will choose, W0 up to 16 we will choose, no problem, and little give the space, and 16 we will up to choose the value, and next we will choose the open contact of the T0, because we have to be give the signal at the command from the T0, and next we will choose the command and find instruction at the data shift. This one data shift, you can see this first command, this we will choose and click it OK, and here we will define, which we will define W up to 16, W0, W0 and space, and up to 16 we have to be give the value and click enter. So next what we will do, we started the shift registers from 0 to up to 16. So in next we will take the relays from 0 W0 and up to 16 we can choose, but I will choose little 5 to 6, no problem. We have to be just only test W1, sorry, not this one, W1 we have to be choose, and next W2 we have to be choose, next W3 we will choose, next W4 we will choose, and next W5 we will be choose, next W6 we will choose, and next W7 we will be choose. So this relays, and also we will connect the output of the 100 point physical PLC, 100.0, 100.1, 100.2, first I will make 100.3, 100.4, 100.5, 100.6, and this 100.7, 100.7. But when this 100 W0.7 will be start, after we need to be reset, go to the first relay, repeat the function. So what we will do, that W0.7 we will make it here W0.7 when on, after we need to be reset this one. So, and one differentiate we will make the rising edge, just only we have to be give some signal only just. So almost our program is now completed, and we will download to the PLC, and let's check. Click OK and click yes. So now you can see this is our timer is now started, and it will be self set and reset, set and reset, set and reset. So it's giving the signal to our relays, and we will just give the signal at x0.0 to give the one word like to be shift in next. So I give the signal at I0.0, and now it will be automatically move into the next, yani 100.3, 100.4, 100.5, 100.6, and as it will be go to the 100.7, it will be go to the next 0. So this function will be repeated how many times, and also if you like to be increase the relays up to how much we defined it here, up to W0 up to 16 bit, yani W0 up to W15 you can choose, yani here if I will write it here, W15 can be stop, and I will show you. For example, I will choose it here W0.15, 15, and then between 7, 8, 9, 10 it will be wait for this time, but it will be runs. And this one we will also take this one, so better this one we will change this one, because of I like to show you, yani W0.14, sorry, again we have to be select open contact W0.14, and here next we will choose W0.15, 15. Because of this is the W0.15 is 16. This one more we will take that 100.8, and this will be run 100.10. Any we can choose. And this just we will change this W0.15. We will change it here. W0.15 we have to be dot 15 we have to be choose for reset. So this again we will transfer to the PLC. And wait for some time, click yes. And now it will be go up to 15. Yani I give the signal at I0.0, and you can see it's now moves step by step, and when it will be reach at the 14, after it will be go to reset 7, and next is 8 is running, 9 is running, 10 is running, 11, 13. When 14 will be on, after it will be go to the 15, but it will be running as the with the timer. You can see this now 100.8 is on after 100.15, 100.10 was started. So this is the easiest method to the shift registers use in the PLC Omron. I hope guys you will be understand about this command. If not understand anything, you can send me message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.